guys, it is Vicky. I can get down here for a second with another cooking recipe. Today we're going to make honey lime chicken avocado rice stack. But before we do that, I'd like to say if you're new to our channel, thank you for stopping by and checking us out. If you're returning to our videos, thank you very much. We appreciate all the support. So today we have some thinly sliced chicken breast, and we're going to go ahead and create the marinade for that, and then we'll put it in the refrigerator. The marinade is honey, lime, olive oil, garlic, cumin, paprika, and some salt and some pepper. All right, so we have our marinade here, which is 3 tablespoons of honey, the juice and zest of 2 limes, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, salt and pepper to taste. And we're going to just put it right over the chicken. It smells really good. And we're going to let that chicken marinate. I already have my rice going, and we make a jasmine rice with this. And in the water with the rice, we will put some cilantro, a little bit of lime. You could also use a broth, that would be fine as well. All right, so I'm just gonna mix up my chicken so it all gets covered. And we will let it marinate until it's dinner time. We don't have a grill, unfortunately, so I will be pan frying these. And there's your chicken in the marinade. All right, so the chicken has been marinating for probably about 3 hours. And so I'm just gonna pan fry it because, again, I don't have a grill. If I had a grill, I would definitely grill this. And while this is frying, I'm gonna go ahead and cut up the avocados.
My pictures weren't the best this time, but you do have to try this recipe. It is amazing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.